Hi kids, in today's class we will be learning the topic, electrical tools. Electricians use special tools to work with electricity safely. These tools help fix wires, connect devices, and make sure everything works properly. In this lesson, we'll practice spelling and identifying the names of electrical tools and learn what they do. Let's explore the tools that keep the lights on. Screwdriver. S-C-R-E-W-D-R-I-V-E-R, screwdriver. Pliers. P-L-I-E-R-S, pliers. Wire cutter. W-I-R-E-C-U-T-T-E-R, wire cutter. Wire stripper. W-I-R-E-S-T-R-I-P-P-E-R, wire stripper. Voltage tester. V-O-L-T-A-G-E-T-E-S-T-E-R, voltage tester. Insulation tape. I-N-S-U-L-A-T-I-O-N-T-A-P-E, insulation tape. Drill. D-R-I-L-L, drill. Circuit breaker. C-I-R-C-U-I-T-B-R-E-A-K-E-R, circuit breaker. Soldering iron. S-O-L-D-E-R-I-N-G-I-R-O-N, soldering iron. Clamp meter. C-L-A-M-P-M-E-T-E-R, clamp meter. Flashlight. F-L-A-S-H-L-I-G-H-T, flashlight. Tool belt. T-O-O-L-B-E-L-T, tool belt. Gloves. G-L-O-V-E-S, gloves. Electrical tools help electricians work safely and fix things like lights, fans, and appliances. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.